Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you the progress of the Lagos Blueline Rail Phase 1 since it started commercial operations, which will be celebrating its 1-year anniversary in just a few weeks. And speaking of anniversaries, it's also been almost a year since construction began on Phase 2 of the Blue Line Rail. Today, I'm excited to take you along on a journey to see the progress of construction so far at different points along the route. From Okokomaiko to Alaba Rago to LASU Gate Iyana-Iba, Abule Ado, Agboju, Alakija, First Gate, Maza Maza, and the bridge between Maza Maza and Mile 2. And also, did you note that there will be 3 elevation points along the route? These will be located at Iyana-Iba, Alakija, and between Maza Maza and Mile 2, where the rail will cross over the river. So let's get started and see how far construction has gone. Our first stop is Okokomaiko, where foundation works are ongoing. As you can see, there are activities ongoing at this location. Not only will this location support the rail line, but it will also be home to a train station, providing easy access for passengers. Currently, there is no pedestrian bridge here, but that will also change. A pedestrian bridge will be built to ensure safe crossing for residents and passengers. Additionally, a stabling yard will be constructed to house and maintain the trains, further solidifying Okokomaiko's importance in the Blue Line rail network. Let's move on to the next location. Next, we head to Alaba Rago, where precast concrete drainage installation is underway. This critical infrastructure will ensure efficient water management and prevent flooding along the rail line. This advanced drainage system is designed to withstand heavy rainfall and ensure the longevity of the rail infrastructure. While this may seem like a small detail, it is a crucial aspect of the project. Let's move on to the next location and see how construction is progressing. Now I am at LASU Gate, where sand filling is ongoing. As you can see, the sand are being compartmentalized to ensure efficient sand distribution. This process is crucial for creating a stable base for the rail tracks and surrounding infrastructure. And look, the pedestrian bridge is taking shape. Workers are making great progress and the bridge is now accessible. This will provide a safe crossing point for residents and passengers, most especially students of LASU. The pedestrian bridge is an essential component of the LASU Gate station, ensuring safe and easy access for all users. This location is another critical location along the Blue Line route, as this location will also be having a train station. Next, I'm heading to Iyana-Iba and see how construction is progressing there. Now I'm at Iyana-Iba, where the piers construction is underway. While significant progress has been made, the work is not yet complete. This location will feature an elevated section with a bridge that will allow trains to pass over the road below. The piers you see here will support the bridge beams, ensuring a safe and stable crossing point for trains and passengers. In addition to the piers construction at Iyana-Iba, excavation and sand filling works are ongoing between the Iyana-Iba flyover and the Iyana-Iba interchange towards Volks. This will enable the creation of stable foundation for the elevated rail section. Also, there will be a train station here at Volks. While there is still work to be done, it's clear that progress is being made. I will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as the project moves forward. Now I am at Abule Ado, where the placement of precast drainage has been done. This critical infrastructure will ensure efficient water management and prevent flooding along the rail line. Looking ahead, construction is ongoing. Let's move closer to see what's happening in front. The contractors are making great progress, and it's exciting to see construction of piers ongoing here. I'm not sure exactly what the piers are for, but I will continue to monitor the progress and provide updates as this project moves forward. Now I'm heading to Alakija to see how construction is progressing there. Now I'm in Alakija, one of the first locations along the second phase of the Blue Line rail route where construction began. Significant progress has been made here, setting the tone for the rest of the project. Here at Alakija, the rail route will be elevated over the road, which will be the second elevation on this project. As we can see, a lot of progress has been achieved as the piers here looks to have been completed. This critical infrastructure will support the rail line as it passes over the road. Between the Alakija flyover and Alakija interchange, excavation, sand filling and compartmentalization are ongoing, preparing the ground for the rail line. As I move between Alakija and Agboju, there is an ongoing construction. The ongoing construction looks to be the building of one of the stations. A station is proposed for Alakija, and this could be the location. The station will provide passengers with easy access to the rail line, making it a critical component of the project. As construction continues, I will monitor the progress and provide updates to know exactly what's happening here. Now I am at Festac First Gate, where construction is also underway. Currently, the area is being cleared and excavation is done. Sand filling and compartmentalization of the sand are ongoing. From here, I'm heading to Maza Maza, where construction is ongoing between Mile 2 and Maza Maza. An old bridge previously stood here, but it's been pulled down to make way for a new one. Piers drilling is currently ongoing, preparing for construction of the new bridge. This bridge will cross over the river, making it the third elevation point on this route. That's all for today's update on the second phase of the Lagos Blueline Rail. I have been able to show the progress made so far on almost all the major corridors of this project, from Okoko all the way to Mile 2. Stay tuned for more updates as I continue to track the progress of this exciting project. The future of transportation in Lagos is looking bright. Thanks for watching. If there is a project you would like to see feature on this channel or an update on, please let me know in the comment section below. And for contractors and government agencies who want to highlight their projects, please send an email or reach out on X, formerly known as Twitter, or Instagram. Email address and all my social media handles are in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more updates on ongoing projects and completed projects.